Hey boys and girls, so today we're going to assemble a barbecue grill. This is the Weber Jimbo Joe Premium. Yeah, Premium. Should be pretty good for a little backyard barbecue. It's kind of the old flying saucer style. So we're going to open this thing up, see what tools we need to put it together, and assemble it. So let's get started. Bought this on Walmart grocery app, the delivery app. It's amazing what you can and cannot get delivered to the grocery store now, basically. This is the biggest item I think I've bought. Not heaviest, but the biggest. The most awkward has definitely been a shovel. So, this, it's got a little stand. Put that to the side. Assembly guide. Probably lots of legal mumbo jumbo and warranty and all that. So, let's start getting all the parts out, and then we will see what it takes to put it. Alright, so the instructions say we need to have some tools. Flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and a hammer. You think this one will work? I'm thinking this guy, you know, because always need a BFH, right? So anyways, let's get this thing out of the package. Alright, first part, we're going to put the little vent, I guess you'd call it, for the bottom. It is the one with the oval shaped holes in it, not the round. You'll need their special little tool. This is kind of nice. Helps you hold the nut. And of course you need a screwdriver to hold the bolt. And you need a washer. So anyways, oval shaped piece goes on here. Bolt goes to the center. Nut and washer on the bottom side. Or the inside, I guess we'll say. So we'll just tighten this up with their special little wrench. Not crazy tight, you gotta be able to turn this. There we go. Part one is done. Now we can go install the handle. You'll probably want to have the name up right side up. Just uses these little nuts and washers they have. And your special little tool they give you. Get a little comfortable here, boys and girls. Oh, there we go. Gotta make it look like we know what we're doing. So that just installs on there. And tighten it right up. And this you'll want kind of snug. This is the handle you're going to grab and pull it with. There we go, done. Next part of our assembly, the little legs. They need these little springy guys. They go on right over like this. And do that to all the legs. We can adjust these later where they're supposed to go. And you'll notice these legs are different. There are two with the flat ends. And what we're going to do with these flat end pieces that have an angle, they're going to go on your triangular shaped base piece, like so, with the angle facing in. Next, you're going to put your wheels on. And I guess this is where your hammer's going to come in. These little caps go on the outside and they have a locking retainer on it. So, kind of like so. on. Oh, put a wheel on. Thought I was going to mix it up, didn't you? Yes, you did. And that is on like so. There we go. We're going to move on to the next step. Moving on now, we got our little triangle carriage here. We're going to need to find our bolts with the big washer on it, like that. You'll also need to find the little black plastic cap and have your leg out that has the groove on it. And your fun little tool. So we're going to bring it over the base of the barbecue grill, and we're going to put our bolt through from the inside. There we go. Hold it up with my feet right there. And we're going to put the legs and thread it onto the legs. Don't worry about the third one. We'll get to the third one here in a minute. Let's get both started and we'll snug them up a little later. Right now, just trying to get them in. Alright. Now, you put the cap on. And it says to fish it through the hook through here. Like so. And I want the little rails to be on the top here. So I'm going to push this through and I'm going to tighten it into the top. You might have to move your bars depending on how that goes together for you, which I think I have to do. So we'll be right back. Alright, so you can see we got it on 3 legs back there. Alright. And we moved it out of the way so we can do the lid now. So they give you a nice little branded lid. Screws are already on it. And it takes these little metal locking washers, I guess you call them. Put it down through there. Flip it over. And install the nut washer combo. There we go. There's 1, 2. This little tool is made out of plastic. If you tighten it too tight, it will slip off. So I guess they did that so you won't tighten it too much. Alright. That is done. Now, you're going to need this little hook. Alright. And that's going to go on the inside here. And you're going to need the upper vent. And you're going to need nut and washer. So the bolt, that fell, goes through there. Goes through the top. The lid goes on the outside here. And then your hook goes on the inside along with the nut. And you'll need your flathead screwdriver again so that we can tighten this down. This should actually be on the other side. There we go. Excellent. Now we can come back here to our stands and our little spring pieces. Or for our little drip tray, I guess you'll call it. You just put it up in there, and those around to where you think it should be. And we lock it in. Like so. Alright. Now, let's just grab the camera and do this. You're flying, folks. The smaller grate goes in first. Then, the larger grate. Boy, that's probably making the camera crazy. Down there. Voila. You have a barbecue grill. Let's go try it out.